Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. So today we're doing another review for another hair product, and this one is actually from Sylkvia. They were kind enough to send me this, so thank you so much for sending this to me so I can do a review on my channel about it. So pretty much this is a tangle-free curling iron. So my hair is straight right now, kind of straight. I mean, I did a blowout maybe like 3 days ago, so it's a little bit straight, and it would be nice if I could like give my hair a little bit of wave because it looks kind of like boring right now. So this actually retails for about $50, $49.99 or something, $50. So I'm gonna link it down below if you guys are interested in purchasing this. If this works, I haven't tried it, I'm gonna open it right now. First time ever opening it, first impressions right here in my channel. Okay, cool. Okay, this is what it looks like. So this has a cool tip, so this doesn't get hot, so you can use it to, you know, flip the brush and roll it, which is pretty cool and very helpful. I saw online that if you go like this, you see that? It kind of brings the bristles back in. So I guess when you curl your hair, leave it for about 10 seconds and then drag this to the side, and then the bristles are gone. So you just let it fall, let it down. So let's see if that works. I'm very interested to see how this works. If you guys are wondering where my sweater is from, it is from Ross. Ross is my store. I love Ross. Like I literally get most of my sweaters from Ross or like Marshalls. Like I just love those stores. Okay, so let's try this. So first I'm going to kind of try and wrap it kind of like that, maybe, right? Ooh, kind of like that. Let's leave it on for like 10 seconds, and I guess I'm gonna grab it from here and let it go. So I'm gonna move this to the side. Okay, so the bristles disappeared, and then I completely did that wrong. Oh no, I did that wrong. There's no way. Okay, let's try this again. As you can see, nothing happened. Let's put it up to 330 because maybe it's just the heat. Maybe I just gotta put it up more. Maybe I just gotta leave it on for longer. So let's do that. So kind of like that, right? And then you kind of roll it up. I think I'm doing it right. So
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Okay, let's see what happens at 15 seconds at 330 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. Ooh, okay. I like how that looks. Okay, so now I got a little bit of a wave. Pretty cool. I like that. I like that. But I'm gonna put it up to 355 and let's see how that works. So like that, and then bring it up. A couple more seconds because that was a bigger section, so you know. Let's see. Okay. Oh my god, how amazing is this? I am in love. Look at that bounce. I love it. I love it. I really do. I love it. Okay, let's put it up to 385. I'm gonna redo the first curl that I did. It's nice, it's a little bit looser, but I want it a little bit tighter. So I'm gonna redo it at 385. Since I'm getting the hang of it now, I think I can get a nicer curl. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Got stuck there for a little bit, but that's nice. That's nice. That's really nice. When I bring the bristles in, I feel like they don't go all the way in, and sometimes they get a little bit stuck with my hair, but I'm trying to release my curl. But let's try this at 410, the highest heat, and let's see what happens when I do it at 410. Let's do this side. This side needs a little bit of love. Okay, nice. Okay, so that was a smaller section, so you can't really see the curl, like, oh my god, but it looks nice. It looks nice. So I'm gonna leave it at 410. I feel like that's my favorite because it's just faster, but let's do it. Let's continue at 410 And one thing I want to mention, this is very, very quick. Like, you can get a nice quick look with this, and it only will probably take you about 15 minutes to curl your hair, because this is so fast. So far it's like really, really fast, so I'm really liking this. I think that should be enough. So let's pull this, and ooh, beautiful. Ooh, look at that. I really like that. It's very pretty. This is what it's looking like so far. I do like 410 better, because as you can see, like these over here are like already starting to fall. Like the curls are already starting to fall. But I think it's just because of the heat, because the heat is like too low. Oh wow, I left this on for a while. Ooh, that's nice. Look at that. That's beautiful. I love that. So I'm gonna fast forward this, and I'm gonna show you guys the final result, because if not, we're gonna be here for like 30 minutes. Okay, so here's what my hair is looking like. So it definitely gives you a little bit more of like bigger waves. I thought it would give you like smaller waves, but yeah, I mean, it's not bad. What do you guys think? This one is just kind of like all over the place. I'm gonna try and fix this one, because it keeps going like to the wrong side. I think I did it on the wrong side. But yeah, this is what my hair is looking like so far. It's kind of like if you were to get a blowout and then you kind of like pin your hair up and then let it down. That's kind of what this is giving you, like kind of like that type of look. But I'm liking it. Okay, that looks better. But I'm liking it. I mean, it looks like if I got like a blowout. Let me show you guys the back. That's kind of what the back looks like. I don't know if I should do a wear test at least for like an hour or something, and like see what my waves look like in an hour. What do you guys think? Do you guys want to see that? You guys want to see that? Yeah, you do? Okay, okay, we'll do it. So here it is. Here's what my hair looks like right now. Right now it is 11:07. So I'm gonna just chill at the house. I'm not really gonna do anything crazy. I'm just gonna chill, edit a video. But yeah, this is what it looks like right now, and I'll check in with you guys in about an hour. So I'm just gonna come back like around 12, and I'm gonna show you guys what it's looking like. Hey guys, so I am back. It's been about an hour, so 12:05. It's been about an hour, and I mean, look at the curls. I mean, they're still pretty much there, very bouncy. I really like how my hair looks. I really do like how my hair looks. I feel like this can really give you a very different look, like kind of like the Victoria's Secret waves. So I'm loving it. I'm loving it. If you guys want to check this out, I will link it down below. I definitely recommend it. $50 is not bad. Actually, it's not a bad price, and you do get really nice waves with this. So I totally recommend it. But yeah guys, that is it for today's video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. And if you liked this video, then I'm sure you're gonna like these videos as well, so make sure you go ahead and check out those videos. Bye guys, love you.